All right, today we are going to be upgrading these fog lights to some yellow LEDs. The reason I'm going with the yellow ones is because I've already got the bright white LEDs here, and I've got the bright lights. They don't stay on the same time as the fog lights. I don't know why. I'm gonna have to look into that. But when you turn the bright lights on, it cuts the fog lights off. If anyone knows about that, let me know in the comment section. But I've also got these bright lights here. I showed you in another video how to install those, and then I also have an additional video on how I tied them into the high beams so they come on at the same time with the auto switch, which is amazing. I love it. Go check out that video. It was like $12.99 or something for a relay, and it's an awesome video because I spent tons of time looking for that information, couldn't find it anywhere. Anyway, but today we're going to upgrade these. Since these ones are already bright white, we don't need these to be bright white because these provide plenty of illumination at night, but maybe in a foggy condition we need the yellow light, which is actually more effective wavelength for cutting through fog. So we're going to go with the yellow lights down here on the fog lights, and we're going to upgrade them now. All right, so these are the new lights that we're going to be using, the new LED ones. The box is upside down, but it says it's the golden yellow 3000K. And I'll link these on Amazon. This is not sponsored. I'll link these for where I found them on Amazon. I think they were like 26 or 28 bucks, so not bad. And they've got this nice heat sink on the back, which is nice for that LED. So let's get underneath the truck and get started. All right, I'm underneath the driver's side right now. Should be relatively straightforward. There's the connector right there, so I should be able to just turn that. I'm not sure which direction to turn it yet, but it should be like a quarter or a third of a turn, and it should come out, and then I can just insert the new one. All right, so that's removed out of the socket, and it was, I turned it towards the passenger side, and it was about a quarter of a turn to release it. And then to remove the bulb itself is this connector right here, and sorry, it's hard to reach and film at the same time, but you can see right there is the thumb release right there, and I should be able to press that and then pull the bulb out, but I need both hands for that. All right, it's installed back in the socket. Make sure when you plug the new lamp in that you hear a nice little click. It's a very satisfying click on that connector, and then you'll just basically turn it out this way a little bit towards you, towards the passenger side. You'll find where the grooves kind of fall in, and then turn it back until it's vertical up and down on this connector, and you're locked in. The new bulb has a nice little O-ring, so it should be sealed up nicely. So let's go see what it looks like. Oh man, that looks pretty sick. I do like how that looks. It kind of looks kind of mean. But yeah, that's what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and repeat the same procedure on the passenger side, and we should be good to go. I will do a follow-up video at the end of this segment that shows what this looks like at nighttime. But yeah, I'm pretty happy with that so far. All right, guys, so this is what they look like at night. I really like them. I was using them earlier up on the highway, and you could definitely see the yellow lights on the highway. Although there's no fog tonight, it's a pretty clear night. I'd be curious to see what they're like in the fog, but I really do like them. You can definitely tell the difference. So yeah, go get you some. I'll link them in the description below. Hope this helped y'all. Bye.